Hello guys, welcome to today's class. So today we'll be talking about developer tools and we're going to talk about React developer tools. So we are going to install React developer tools. So if you go to this place, to this click this, yes, okay. So when you go to more tools, you're going to see a developer tool using Firefox. So all these things you're seeing here are called developer tools. If you look here, you see we don't have any React developer tools. So we're going to install developer tools. All these developer tools help developer to develop their code. You can see console when your code has an issue, you can come here to check what is actually wrong with the code when you don't get to the console. So it helps developers to know exactly where the error is coming from. So we are going to install React developer tools. So what React developer tool does for us is integrates with the website developer tools and give us extra features. So you can use the React developer tools in any website created by React. Alright. So to do that, I'll go to my browser and type React developer tools. So I'll go to this place. Let us use the documentation. Okay. Let's run the documentation. So click here. You see, this is documentation. You see, use React developer tools to inspect React components, edit prompts and state, and identify performance problem. So you see, browser extension is an extension. The browser extension, you want to install it as a browser extension. The easiest way to debug website built with React is to install the React Developer Tools browser extension. It is available for several popular browsers. Install for Chrome, install for Firefox, Edge. So right now I'm using Firefox, so I'm going to install for Firefox since I'm using Firefox. Okay, to do that, I'm going to click here. So to add to Firefox, I'm going to add to Firefox. For an extension, I'm going to add this to Firefox. If you're using Chrome, it's the same process. You also see how to Chrome. You click on here. So it's just I'm using Firefox, not like Firefox. So it's going to just use small to install. So to inspect your battery, you can your right click you click on inspect to see this, or you do control shift I you can also to see all your options. If you look if you look you can see you don't have any different patterns in the other pattern. So you're going to double to do you have to consider that what is missing this just stick right. So let us okay. We are going to say add. This extension will have permission to access your data from all insights. Remember I said can use the uh, developers tool in any website created with React, right? So we're just playing how to add, I'm going to allow this. Okay, so we're going to install for us. So it's going to this. I think it is installed already. This this message you're seeing, this page doesn't have yet using React. Okay, this page is going to using React. When you go to a page that using React, it's good to notify it once. So let me close this. Also close this. So this is our React application. This is what we created the last time. Go to this place. Not bad components. I have site that you have to explain instead our components. These are our components to instead of that components. So this is what is showing on the browser. Just do that. So this is what is showing. At the first, you can see the colors changed to blank. You can see thousand. It's showing also this exactly showing this is a React page. And this page or this web page is created with React. That's where the color changed. Alright, so we're going to inspect this to see what we installed. I'm going to inspect for I click on this page. You can see component and profile. This is what we installed. Remember, these two things is not here before. It's because we installed the Drupal 2. That's why it showed. So we'll be using components. I like using components. So we'll be using you click on components, you can see the app. This is the app. Remember, we have two components listed inside this app. That's why if you click on all these things showing here. Alright. So when you refresh again, you can see all these things came out. If you hover on this place, you can see suspend the selected component. You can suspend it. You can see inspect the margin DOM elements. You can see load these components that are to consume. You can click here and then maybe I want to run this nav component to console. So when I click here now, then say load this component data to console. When I click here, then I'll get it console. So I'll click here to expand. You can see everything that is inside there. You can see the full name. It is coming from there. You can see hook. And you expand it, you can see array of objects. You expand more. You can see the value load thing. When I when you click on it, let me get you can see the all these things is what we're going to see. You can see the state got it. So if I click here now, you see this state is going to change. Right. So when I click here now, it's going to change. So that's how to debug the code. So what this thing does is to give us information about the component. Right. So all this the information about this is going to show you this information that's inside the sidebar. You can say they're going to Goodisoft company. You go to components sidebar and see you pass this as false. Sidebar. That's okay. Right is showing there. So you can see what you're doing here. Okay. View the elements. Yes, and click here. So you have to play around with this. I decided to let you guys know about this too because it is really helpful because when you developing the bonding and also testing your application, your React application. So this is the best way to become familiar with us. Can dive into this and be around this. I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.